This is it, the race to 11. The winner will be decided in a couple of moments. What makes you think he can't make that 7 over in the corner?
Oh, he can. He can, but it's not easy, especially when the score is what it is. Oh, my God, he hit it 1,000,000 miles an hour. He hit 1,000,000 miles an hour. I don't know how he did that. The crowd is going crazy here. I don't know how he did that.
He almost scratched on it.
Yeah, but he almost made the 9 ball too at the other end.
Kumusta mga idol? Welcome back sa ating channel. Ngayong araw nga ay babalikan natin ang isa sa mga matitinding laban ng ating kababayan na si Efren Bata Reyes kontra sa pambato ng Amerika na isang magaling na kampyon at isa ding Hall of Famer na si Jim Rempe. Isa itong mga idol sa pinaka-exciting and thrilling na laban sa kasaysayan ng bilyar. Ang laban na ito mga idol ay race to 11 kung saan ay lamang na si Jim Rempe sa score na 10-9 at siya na ang magbe-break sa rack na ito.
He took some of the speed off the brake and it really worked good. It just hit him square.
Made the 8 ball.
Oh, it was gone. That 9 was
Sa lakas ng pag-break ni Jim Rempe ay nakuha agad nito ang 1 and 8 ball. Yun nga lang ang problema niya ngayon ay alanganin siya sa dos. Tignan natin mga idol kung ano ang gagawin niya dito.
We can give us a close-up. No, he's not giving us. Oh, he's shooting it. He's shooting the 2. He's banking the 2. He's going for the money. Going for the cheese. I love it. That's the way to do it. Missed it. Missed it. Oh! Oh!
Looks like we got a 10-10.
Isang tinatawag na cross corner bank ang ginawa ni Rempe mga idol. Yun nga lang ay hindi niya nakumpleto dahil medyo mahirap talaga ang tirang iyon. Ngayon ay pagkakataon na ito ni Efren Reyes at nagawa niyang maipasok ang dos sa side pocket at malaking tsansa ito para sa ating pambato na ma-run out ang rack na ito.
Boy, this has been a thrilling match to watch here.
This is great TV, Tom.
This is great pool, no question about it.
Both players have just played so good.
He didn't want to do that.
Medyo dismayado ang ating pambato sa tirang ito mga idol dahil naiklian niya ang posisyon at hindi niya may pasok ang 5 sa side pocket.
No, no. I'm sure he's going to be all right here. Is he cutting it inside? No.
No, I think the corner. Right in the center.
Kung sakaling matatapos ng ating pambato ang match na ito, ang laban ay mapupunta sa tinatawag na heel-heel match kung saan ang dalawang player ay maglalaban sa do or die final round na magdidesisyon kung sino ang mananalo.
Rempe missed that bank. Might have cost him the match.
Yeah, it wasn't an easy shot, but I think I'd had to go for it myself.
Always go for the cheese. We are going to hear so much noise after this 9 goes in. It's unbelievable.
So there we are. It is tied 10 games apiece.
Ito at nangyari na nga ang pinakahihintay ng lahat mga idol kung saan ang score ay all 10 na at si Efren Reyes na nga ang magbe-break sa final rock.
On the break, you missed the standing ovation from both players. Oh! Oh! Did make a ball? No.
No. Came up empty.
Yun nga lang mga idol ay hindi sinuwerte at walang napasok na bola ang ating pambato sa break shot. Ngayon ay si Jim Rempe na ang nasa mesa at pinaplano niyang papasukin ang 9 ball. Tignan natin mga idol kung ano ang gagawin niya dito.
God, if he scratches in between the 4 and 9, it'd be just gut-wrenching.
Yeah, it looks like he's maybe trying to go all the way straight down table. I think he is trying to go.
Uppermost, of course, is don't make a mistake. Whatever you do, make it work right.
He's going for the 9.
How can he do
At sumablay na nga si Jem Rempe na papasukin ang 9 ball. Nakakagulat ito mga idol dahil pwede naman sana siyang dumepensa na lang.
Loose call there, wouldn't you say?
Nick and I are
Binigyan niya pa ng pagkakataon na makabalik sa mesa ang ating pambato mga idol na posibleng maging sanhi ng kanyang pagkatalo.
Okay, here's the 1, here's the 2. Get position on the 2 is the problem.
in the one.
What a kill shot. Just a marvelous kill shot.
Well, you gotta hope he doesn't hit the side.
Ngayon ay nagawang maipasok ni Efren Reyes ang 1 ball at sabay preparasyon sa 2.
He doesn't want to be straight in.
No, he is straight in.
Yun lang at naalanganin ang ating pambato sa preparasyon dahil medyo diretso sa 3 ball ang mother ball. At kapag straight ka sa object ball, konti lang ang magagawa mong galaw sa bola mano.
Oh my God. Oh.
Muntikan pang hindi pumasok ang 3 na bola mga idol. Kaya naman gulat na gulat ang lahat.
Feel the pressure
Oh,
oozing
boy.
out of your head.
Oh boy.
Makikita nating grabe talaga ang pressure na nararamdaman ni Efren Reyes sa sitwasyon ng labang ito.
Yeah, but,
For the,
I mean, it would have
match.
been a tougher way to get out from sitting in the chair. Can he make that up there? No, he wouldn't even.
Natawa na lang ang ating pambato mga idol dahil akala niya ay maipapasok niya ang 5 sa corner pocket.
Smile though, I think. I mean, it's
Kaya naman walang choice si Efren Reyes kundi ipasok sa side pocket ang 5 na medyo mahirap tirahin.
He was worried about making the 4 there, Steve.
you just did it.
He's still got a problem.
Yeah, well, let's see how he's going to get position on the 7. The crowd is going crazy with every shot that this guy makes.
I think he's got to go
Everyone.
And
forward.
everybody
Naipasok naman ng ating pambato ang 5 at sakto ang preparasyon niya sa 6 ball. Tignan natin mga idol kung ano ang gagawin niyang preparasyon para sa
When he
7.
goes to the championship.
Did he hit it? He didn't hit it.
He's a little bit soft.
He didn't hit it hard.
Boy, he's got to make a great shot.
Oh,
He's
my
frozen
God.
on the rail.
This guy is really.
Medyo na short ang tira ni Efren Reyes sa tirang iyon dahil hindi siya masyadong nakalapit sa 7 at nakadikit pa ang mother ball sa rail. Ito ay sobrang hirap na tira mga idol kung ganyan ang pwesto ng mother ball.
The winner will be decided in a couple of moments. What makes you think he can't make that 7 over in the
Oh,
corner?
he can. He can, but it's not easy, especially when the score is what it is. Oh my God, he hit it 1,000,000 miles an hour. He hit it 1,000,000 miles an hour. I don't know how he did that. The crowd is going crazy here. I don't know how he did that.
He almost scratched on it.
Yeah, but he almost made the 9 ball
He
too at
almost
the other
scratched. He
end.
almost made the 9. He
almost made everything.
Grabe nga at napakatindi ng ginawang tira ni Efren Reyes at maganda pa ang preparasyon para sa 8.
Absolutely crazy.
Well, I think it's almost a fait accompli.
Oh my God, what a way he's doing this. Look at the crowd going crazy. Crowd's going crazy.
I love it.
Look at this. Everybody's going crazy. I can't believe it.
11-10.
What a match.
Reyes outlast
Standing
Rempe.
ovation.
Jim Rempe
Oh my God,
fought
what a
his way
match.
back to take a 10-9 lead.
That's one of the
Only to
greatest
lose
matches I ever
11-10.
saw. What a match.
At panalo nga ang ating pambato sa laban na ito mga idol, 11-10. Napakatindi ng pinakita ni Efren Reyes.
Yeah, that's top much for me because you know when I adding a power 9-4, then I play safe the 1 ball. They changed all the whole game.
It did indeed.
And then when they scored is 7-9, 8-9, I'm starting pressure.
Bali dito na nga magtatapos ang ating video mga idol. Hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat sa panonood.